Alright, so headlights just came in. Let's open this up, take a look. Yes, the knife I'm using is a little bigger than needed. Couldn't find my pocket knife. Can I get my beautiful assistant, fiance Patty, to hand me my knife so I can open this other package, please? Thank you. So in this package, I've got the bulbs and the headlights themselves. There's the bulbs. Now first let's inspect these headlights, just like I did last time. So again, they've got the protective film on them. And awesome. So all of that's in great shape. And again, we've got the wiring harness and the guide. Again, good job on the protective film on this. All the connections are good. Alright, and for this set, all the protective film covered the entire lens this time. So awesome job again on that. Can I get another assistant to hand me my knife again? Thank you. Hey, look, it's even got a nice little pull tab to help you get it out of there. Oh, I can see why. Alright, and another little guide on the bulbs. Transformer's in great shape for that. Bulbs, good solid foam packaging, and they've even got foam protecting the actual bulb itself. So that covers the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming install video for this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like if you like the video. And don't forget to hit the bell over here so that you can get notified next time we have videos coming.